Roblox stories be like?
Oh, but I'm not the account. I got infinity in my group chat. Hi guys, hi my group chat. I got infinity Robux. I got infinity Robux. You are a TikTok liar. Ugly rock. I got 1,000 Robux. Okay, hey, you wanna pick me? I got one. I got infinity. Yes, I got infinity. I got infinity. No, I got it. No, I'm gonna kick you out. Kicks him out. This ugly pick me just kicked out of the innocent little bacon girl who has gotten the infinite Robux.
Watching the breaking news. An unknown balloon? Let me chew. What did I see behind me? Breaking news. An unidentified balloon guy has come on the streets and will attack you with his silver color balloon. Let's see. Ah! I got the silver balloon! Who the heck are you? Everyone pick me. Who are you? I am dead. I will go to heaven soon. Oh, let me check my Robux. I only got 0. Subscribe. But you coming soon.